Hi, my name is Katie, and today I'm going to show you how to change your GE fridge filter. I have a GE profile fridge, and my filter is located in the top right corner of my refrigerator. My goals with my refrigerator filter are to get rid of chlorine, taste, and odor, so I choose the filtersfast.com PH21100 for my refrigerator filter. When it's time to change my refrigerator filter light is on a timer, so it's going to let me know when I need to order my refrigerator filter and then when it needs to be changed, but I don't have to worry about that because I am a part of the filtersfast.com Home Filter Club subscription program, so they're going to send me my filter every 6 months because that's when I'm going to need to change it. So let's get into it.
First, you're going to want to take off any plastic that the filter is wrapped in and remove the filter seal as I'm doing here. Next, you're going to want to grab a dish towel or paper towel and lay it underneath the filter to catch any water drips that occur during the filter change. Then you'll want to start turning the filter to get it loose as I'm doing here. Once you've uninstalled the old filter, it's time to install the new filter. Gently install the new filter and make sure that you're not too forceful with it because you don't want to cause any damage to the filter or filter housing.
Now that my filter's been changed, I need to flush the filter, and flushing the filter simply means that you're going to be running water through the filter to clear out any media that has come loose in transit to you. So it's really important that you flush about 2 to 4 gallons out of the filter before you drink from it. However, if you forget to, it's okay. The loose filter media will not harm you. It's just a good thing to do to flush the filter. All you have to do is take a cup and just kind of spray a little bit because there's a lot of air in the hose. So don't be surprised if you get some air bubbles or if some water drips out because there's just a lot of stuff moving through the filter. Alright, there's a little water dripping down, so I'm going to get a rag to take care of that. And then, yeah, there's going to be a little air in the hose, and that's not nothing to worry about. There's still just a little bit of water dripping down, but it's almost stopped. However, if you do continue to see water drip down, there might be something else going on. It shouldn't be the filter, it could be the water line. So just make sure that there's not water dripping out of the dispenser. Resetting your reset filter light is pretty easy. All you have to do is hold down on the reset filter button. The house that I live in, we got the refrigerator from the previous owners and it looks like the button wore off. So yours should not look like this. You'll probably have one that looks similar to the other buttons, but my button has worn off because it's been pressed so much. So all you have to do is hold it down for about 3 seconds and the light will reset. And there you go. That's how to reset your GE profile fridge filter.